Welcome to this weight loss workout. We are starting off with a simple jog in place. As you can see, I have invited a gorgeous friend to do this workout for me because I want you guys to see that you can do these workouts. Very good. Just keep it light, keep it gentle, just trying to get the body nice and warm. Very good. Next up, we're going into step jacks. You're just going to step from side to side and wave your arms. This really gets your whole body nice and warm. Go at your own pace. Go at your own pace. Look good. You look good. 10 more seconds. Perfect. Next, let's get some mobility in your hips. We're going to gently just raise your leg in a rotational movement. This really gets your whole hip area lubricated and ready to work. In this world. Good. This workout is really great if you just want a general workout to help you lose weight in a very short amount of time. So, I hope you love it. Good. Finally, we're going to go back into that gentle jog in place. Just keep it loose, keep it relaxed, go at your own pace. Just keep moving. That's all you have to do. Good job. You look good. Just a few more seconds. Nicely done. Here's a preview of the first move. We're going to do a plank. You're going to do a full plank so your hands are fully extended and your wrists are just underneath your elbow and you're not letting your booty sag. Are you ready? Let's go. Hang in there. If you need to release for a few seconds, you can do that and then get back into the plank position because it can be challenging to hold a plank for 45 seconds. Halfway there. You're doing good. Just hang in there. Make sure your core is nice and tight. Good. I know, you're almost there. Just hang in there. 10 seconds. You did it. Next, we're going into a burpee. You go down to the floor and just step in and jump up. You can skip the jump if you want and just simply step in and out and just raise your hands at the top of that movement. Remember to keep your core tight and make sure that when you're landing, you're trying to land in the middle of your foot. Realize there must be more. You're doing good. Just keep going. Go at your own pace. Slow and steady. Good job. Don't worry, you're doing good. Just keep moving. Less than 10 seconds. You got this. You made it. That's the hardest part. Let's get into some slow squats. These are just regular squats, but you're doing this movement very slowly. So you're consciously sitting back into your imaginary chair, going down and coming back up in a slow, controlled motion. This really helps to burn out those muscles and helps you to learn this movement perfectly. In this world. It's going to start to burn in your thighs, and that is a good thing. It means you're doing it right. You're looking good. Keep going. Just a few more. Remember to keep your core tight and pretend to sit back in a chair before you go down. Good. You, my friend, are killing this workout. Let's get into some high knees. Here's a preview. You want to put your hand about chest level or wherever is comfortable for you and aim to touch your knee to wherever your hands are. Go fast, go slow, go at your own pace. It's totally up to you. Just make sure your core is tight the whole time. After this, you have just one more move and you get to take a break. Step, step, step in the name of love. Hey, you're doing good. Keep going. I like what you're doing. You are telling yourself that you got this. I like that. Keep telling yourself that. Perfect. Next up, we have bicycles. You're going to just flop onto the floor and try to touch your opposite knee to your opposite elbow, keeping your core tight the whole time. This is great for just burning fat and also helping to strengthen your core and get you those nice, sexy abs. If you need to take a break, that's perfectly fine. Take a 2-3 second break and get right back into it. You can do this. Don't forget, after this, you get a break. You're doing good. Take a break and get right back into it. You're doing good. Good job. You get a full minute to rest. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so already. Check the description box. There are free things waiting for you there. And I'll be back after the break to walk you through the rest of this workout. You can do this. You're already halfway through. You got this. Welcome back. We are going to do those moves but in reverse. So starting off with those bicycles again, keep your core tight, try to touch your opposite knee to your opposite elbow, go at your own pace. You can do this. Keep that lower back on the floor as well. Listen, you are on the tail end of this workout, past the halfway point. Don't give up now, just keep going. You're doing good. Almost there. This workout gets easier the more frequently you do it. I promise. Keep going. 5 seconds. Yes, you did it. Next up, we're going to those high knees. You want to put your hand wherever is comfortable for you. I recommend chest level and try to touch your knee to your palms. Keep your core tight to support this movement. Go, go, go. You can do it. Don't stop. Keep going. Yes. I see you. I see you. You're doing it. You are working out today, and that is amazing. Good job.
And this, reaching for the stars, traveling so far, like a dragonfly. Just grab my hand from him, send me tonight. I run away.
Perfect. Next up, we have slow squats. Remember, you're going to sit back into your imaginary chair and then go down, and you want this to be a slow, controlled movement to really target your thighs. You can go as deep as you can or as not deep as you need to. Listen to your body. Your body has a lot of wisdom. Good job.
In this world.
Keep going, almost there. Perfect. Next up, we have burpees. You're going to put yourself on the floor, step back in, and jump up. If you don't feel comfortable jumping, you can skip the jump and just do everything else. Keep your core tight the whole time. Let's go.
I get scared. Just come take this risk now. We'll be prepared. I run away.
After this, you have one more move. Just one more, and this whole workout is done. Yes, you did this. You are doing this. You are amazing. I'm so proud.
Like a dragonfly.
Keep going.
Everywhere. Just you and I run away.
Dig deep. Dig deep. Just one more. Nicely done. Last move of the day is your full plank. You want to make sure your body is as straight as possible from your head all the way down to your heel. Don't let your booty sag or go up, and keep your core tight. If you get tired during this movement, you can go down into an elbow plank.
Place in this world.
Hold it. Hold it. You can do this. You are doing this. You've done this before. You can do it again. Just hang in there. You got this. It's your last move.
Standing on the edge.
Just a few more seconds.
Live. Realize there must be.
Hold it. Go down into an elbow plank if you need to, but just stay suspended for as long as you can. You're doing it, 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 you're doing it. You did it! You did it. You did that. You can follow along with my gorgeous friend on the screen to cool down, or cool down in a way that feels good to your body. Get some stretches in, and just think about how amazing it is that you worked out today. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It means so much to me, and it's totally free for you. And I'll see you in my next workout video.